Hello. Mm-hmm. Oh, we are having some issues, huh? There were some issues going on with this page today. I don't know what it was. Hola. Hola, hola, hola. Some of you guys mentioned some issues with, we couldn't see, like it was showing broken links, and I see what you mean now. On the desktop, some issues. I don't know. Man. Then we had some PayPal snafus earlier. Hopefully that's all resolved. Yes, good afternoon indeed. An early start. An early bird special. I got both Bates boys in here. No relation. At least I don't think there's a relation. I could be wrong though. I could be wrong. Peters, Stanley. If you guys were having the PayPal issues before, it seems to be resolved right now. It also got resolved earlier, and then it got messed up again, so don't hold your breath. If you have money sitting in your account and you need to transfer it, I would suggest doing that ASAP, just in case. Just in case. Marks, you're here, I think. I just tagged you. Sorry for the double tap. Just getting a few tags here real quick, guys. Few tags. I know people may not be able to watch this right away. Mahoney, Baloney, Hogan, Donahue. I saw you were here. I don't need to tag you. Gesh, the Gesh. Got your boys. Hilton going for the Redbirds today. I like these kinds of breaks. I always see it kind of takes me back. Doing these little mixers. So I got some more. I have some more Sapphire. Some more coming today, so we can run this a couple times. I'm going away this weekend, taking my son camping, so I won't really be around this weekend. So, all right, we have the 2 Sapphire boxes here. There they are. Nice and shiny. 3 parallels per box. But we've done it before with Sapphire where there can be more. So you never know. We got that. And we're going to dip into new cases for the Hobby and the Breakers Delight boxes. Those are coming from new cases. Okay, I will. There's the cases for those. I just can't do this with one hand. I got to put that down. Let's do this. Let's make it more fun. Shut the fuck up and start skunking me. Hey, Brandon, don't worry. The PayPal's back up, so it's working again. We're doing the left side. Look at that. We're doing left side. Lisa, left side. Left side for that. Put this down here. Put those there. Oh, that's a bummer. That's a shame. $20.20. All right, that works. Deal. There we go. 332. A little treat too. She's not a fresh case anymore. She's stale. She's stale. All right. Good luck, friends. Good luck. Don't call it a chargeback. All right. Let's have fun. Everyone's having a nice Thursday. Who'd you end up with, Billy? Baltimore. Even after you complained about them not having the autos in Sapphire, you're still sticking with it. I'm doing all right today. Yeah, I got to get some stuff together. My son's doing his first camping, like tent camping today, on Saturday. So trying to get that figured out. He's excited. I don't know how excited he'll be when he realizes like he's sleeping on the ground. Braylon Payne base auto. Oh, cool. Started off with a base auto. And a blue reptilian. Nestor Miranda, 150 Detroit. Luis Pena. I do pull them. Not all the time, but it happens. Purple Shimmer D. Frank. 1 out of 250. We'll run this again tomorrow. Potentially later. I don't know. I don't know if I can get another one going here. Hey, buddy. I might get something going. Late night stuff. So I can't really do late night tomorrow because we are getting up super early on Saturday. I think we can get better ones. I have the ones from when I was a scout. I'm actually thinking about shopping for some more. Like for next time. We have bedrolls, you know. Elian De La Cruz. Mari. Too late to like buy more unless I go to the store. But I don't really feel like that. I don't think we need to. Devin Fitzgerald, base auto, Texas. Texas with a $sign. Charlie, mini diamond, Pedro Catuet, gold wave out of 50. Catuet. Catuet. Little Arizona hits there for Steady Teddy. Yeah, if you have any suggestions, I'm open to it. If you want to shoot me any links of any that you use. We haven't done I haven't done tent camping. It's been a while since we've really done any of that. Since I was in high school. Catawee. I'm just going to do Hobby, Delight, and Sapphire. We're just going to go in order. Go fuck yourself. That's a good suggestion. Did you find that guy yet? Did you chase that guy down? That troublemaker? I like your suggestions, though. Nice, thanks. I kind of looked at what I had, and I was like, we might have to get some better ones. Brando. Haven't had a case like this in a while. Oh, no, don't go to jail. Don't do that. Weird upside down packs. These things, they're always fun. Will Warren G. Matty Shaw, $4.99 rookie. Base auto D Frank Bank. Let's keep doing this, you know? Oh, no. I did not. Raymer Medina, Tampa Bay. Base auto, Kevin Alvarez with the Pulsar. These stupid upside downers. Dude, that guy, like... that guy was a little unhinged, as the kids would say. Like, just chucking that up there. Marshawn? Oh, Seifert, I saw you hit a nice true orange of him last night. I wouldn't know what that's like, because I only pull base autos. Again. That's why we got Sapphire mixed in. At least we can get numbered ones out of there. The way these base autos have been popping out lately, it's a bit disappointing, to say the least. Those drivers probably get paid pretty good money, too, to be like dickheads like that. Nice little Nick Kurtz with the red. Devers, 150. Giants Devers, that's right. They did get his Giants jersey on for this one. I do. He is your honey hole. I get it. He's got a nice little honey hole. Ooh. Jorger Bautista, 250. There you go, Gesh. A little purper? I don't know how to talk. Purple. Bautista. Andrew Salas with the mini diamond. Refractor Joshua Gonzalez. All right. A little back-to-back action there for Mr. Gabby. Be nice if those were some scribbles. Yay. Yay. Want to say yay. Gotta get these base autos. Just gotta go, man. I'm just getting tired of them. Just really huge kick in the nuts with them. Huge kick in the nuts. Salas. That's the only good one? Dang. I gotta work harder. There had to be other ones, right? At some point. We'll do the last hobby, and then we'll do Delight and Sapphire. I tried to balance this out with the checklist with Sapphire is a little bit different, you know. You don't have the rookies in there the same way, like the autos, and some teams don't have autos. So you might notice that other teams that might have cost more with just a straight up hobby break might be less than others. Well, I finally pulled the first GPK auto I pulled was yesterday, that Andrew Painter. It was a redemption, though. That was kind of random. I wasn't sure. I think some of them are, obviously, some of them are redemptions. But I've seen some live ones, too. Like, I know the Weatherholt's a live one. Good luck, guys. More upside down shit here. Yeah, well, I mean, you can still get color parallels and stuff. It was the same way with me chasing the Mets in 25. 25 Sapphire. Ooh, KC. Ramsell Medina, 60 out of 150 on the blue Reptilian. Caden Powell, 299. Pena Schlittler. Schlittler's full. I'm real bummed that it's Schlittler. I kept thinking it was Schlitter. I was like, shitter. And then when I looked at it again, I was like, oh, there's a T. Schlittler, or an L, I mean. Schlittler. Stifler. Top pull ever for you. Medina. Ramsell. We'll get something going one of these days. There were some good mail days for you before. Trouty. Bubba Chandler. A little color match share. 72 out of 75. So these cards are getting a little wonky. Stupid. Hey, stupid. Looks like we got another auto here. Maybe. Mini Diamond. Worrell Solano. So off center, though. That is so messed up. My goodness. Why? Mini Diamond 100. Tampa Bay. I don't even know anymore. Manny Cedeno. Mini Diamond. Jackson Merrill. Blue. Christian Yelich. Tree 99. Almost looks like the same picture. This one? Wait, I don't know which one you're talking about right now. Too many comments rolling in. I don't know. Worrell Solano. Out of 100. Mini Diamond. Rays. Gosh, there's almost more numbered stuff in these 3 boxes than yesterday's dual case, it feels like. That dual case yesterday was such a punch to the dick. The lack of numbered autos was terrifying. All right, so there's our hobby autos. Take a look at some D-Light. Got 2 extra autos out of the hobby, so that's cool. They might be Giants. Kumar. Bautista. Goodness, these are all upside down too. Trouty. Cam Smith, rookie, 99. The green Geo. Nat Geo. Kai Roberts, 299 on the first. San Diego. 499. Luke Keeschel. Minnesota. Go this way. BJ's. RJ Schreck. Base auto, another base, KC, Blake Walters, there's your guy, and a rookie, Cubby, Moises Ballesteros, 99, Greeny for the Cubs. Cubs win. Mother Teresa died. That wasn't good. Keeschel, 499 Twinkies. Too bad he doesn't have autos in this. Cam Smith, out of 99. Because the Twins are just not a lot of people chasing them, but he's a good chase. It just sucks that he doesn't have scribblies. We like scribblies, dang it. It's real to me, dang it. Second D-Light coming up. Delightful. Let's see. Will Warren G. Cortesia. We got to go upside down or again. Aiden Johnson, $4.99. A's. Blue. Matt Olson, $150. Greeny. John Giel, $99. Was that Chip? No, Clay with the Braves. Okay. Schwelly. Smelly Schwelly. Base auto. Carlos Laguajay. Another base from the back. Yairo Padilla. Looks like a true blue here. Is it a... No, not my first. Brett Bateman. I do like the Rays in this. I like Corette's good. Harrison, the pitcher, is really good. But he's I think it's Harrison, right? Yeah, he's auto only. I think they're decent value. They have. I don't know as much about Solano and Medina. I think they're a little lower, but also, I mean, the Rays are really good at developing too. So they're always like, they always have like pretty good spec chases, in my opinion. I'm putting Moises down here. Rahe. Yeah, he is, but he's good. You like Solano? See, I don't know him as well, but I know that you know. You're definitely a good resource for some of these guys. All right, one more delight, and then we'll jump into the cherry on top, which is the 2 Sapphire boxes. Yeah, well, the Cubs have like a ton of guys too. Because you also have the chance of hitting the Cade Hortons, the Reds, which, I mean, we don't know if he's going to win Rookie of the Year, but I think he's the betting favorite right now. Him and Drake Baldwin were pretty close. Kai Roberts, Muncie, Indiana. Go this way. Yellow, Alessandro De La Cruz, 75, Colorado. Faribas, 250 for the Phils. Cags, 299, almost a GPK, right? We'll look at the base auto up front. Matthew Etzel, that's not a Ray you're chasing. Texas, Elorki Rodriguez, 150 on the Mojo, nice hit there. And nice, Hyesung Kim out of 99 going to the Dodgers, nice hit there. Oh, we got 2 green rookies out of that. So, both cases of the hobby, and it's November, Zach, after the World Series. It's a couple weeks after. So both cases are. We have some stuff alive, I would say. I'm ready to throw some Sapphire hits up here now. We are going to run this again tomorrow. Considered running one later today. I have to check on a few things first. I don't want to commit to that right now, though. I have to check into something. All right, Sapphire. Wow, look at that box. All right, remember we do have a flat bounty of 100 for any supers / papas that come out of Sapphire. So we have 1 auto, 3 color parallels per. Jacob Wilson, DeGrom, Aniello Marquez, Bryce Eldridge, Skunkin Bach. Who do you have, Harris? The Astros? Alvarez has autos in this, right? You have the Astros, yeah. Skunky Monkey. Got a little yellow in here. Old yellow. Old yellow. There's an auto there. It was so curved, it was almost obvious that was an auto. Acuna, J-Ram, Jesus, Made, and Laraje. Laraje! I did. It was, not an auto, but the Geos. Lewis, Machado, Cabada, that's a good hit for the Cubbies. Aponte. All Sapphire cards will be sleeved. Most will be top-loaded as well. Wow, look at those. Both those yellows are flat, but that auto has a big Bowman bow to it. Doesn't affect the condition. That's just such a standard Bowman thing. We got 2 autos, it looks like. That is a Sapphire selection. I believe that is also an auto. It appears to be. And we have another. That's gold. So we have yellow, gold, a 199 auto, and I believe a Sapphire Selections auto as well. If I am checking this correctly. 2 Sapphires. Justice Bigby, David Coronel, Olsen, and Yordan Alvarez, 75. There's your big Astros hit. Get pumped, boy. The back, nice Raynel Rodriguez. Carson Williams, Dolander on the front, and Atlanta, John Gill, 74 out of 75 on the yellow. Old yellow. Nice little sleeper chase there, Mr. Gill. The Gildos. What's eating Gilbert Grape? Raynel Rodriguez. Like him a lot. Let's look at the gold here. I don't believe this is an auto. I could be wrong though. Nathan Church, Cags, and Manny Cedeno, 6 out of 50. It's actually very well centered. A little slight heavy on the top, but not that bad. Yankees, Medina. There you go, buddy. Manny Cedeno. Sorry, I don't have cases of this. I just had to claw my way to get as many loose boxes as I could. Ronnie Cruz. Julian Barreto, and that's a nice one. Shotaro Mori. Sapphire Selections. Athletics. Brandon Mahoney. But was it like packaged nicely at least? Did I do a good job keeping it safe? Because I get packages from people sometimes and it's as if I am a piece of shit. Bateman. Geesting. And oh, fuck. Whoa, Mahoney. Doubling down. This is, look at this. I'm actually going to put this in a 59 point just because this has that Bowman bow to it. Nice, Brandon. Great job, Brandon. I had to put that in the 59 point just because it's got like that bow to it. You can't hate me anymore, right? You gotta love me a little bit now. Shit's rigged. One more box. Let's hope we don't double down on Maurice. Marty. What's his number? So that one's 118. Yeah, Brandon, I might take that out and put it into a just for you. I might put that into a card card saver just because those bows are just like, it needs flattened a little bit. I hate how they do that sometimes. It's so rigged. You guys know Brandon gives me a lot of shit, but he's always kind to me. Roki Sasaki, that's an image variation. That is a great time to hit that. Pedro Catue, Juan Tomas. Don't. Some ludicrous up in here. Dodgers having a great break, huh? You got a little Sasaki SP, a little soap and water. Finally, man, it's the first time in the history of cards. It's because I've removed the pine cones over there. Soap and water. That's like old school Bowman bows. We got a little more yellow there. That's what sucks is you get the color parallels. A lot of yellows, like yellows and greens. Let's get some reds and oranges. You know, that's what we want. Another 199 auto right there, fellas. Another 199. I can't believe Brandon. The Brandon box. Imagine if that was like a single box. Just tears on that. There's a gold there. We want to tease him the best we can. Sandy. Yaxon. Coe. Oh my goodness. Dodgers. Killing it right now. Bo Davidson and a Chin Sin Coe. Dodgers might be too cheap, man. Coe, actually, crooked is my kick. There's a, yeah, I don't know what I was going to say. Oh, yeah. So we didn't find any Coe base cards in the hobby stuff, but he has them in mega boxes, apparently. So the megas actually has Coe base cards. Go figure, right? Rosarena, Logan Henderson, Ethan Salas, David Sandlin. Oh, Papa Smurf. Well, someone's getting $100 out of that one. Let's do this first. De La Cruz, Lopez, and Cubbies, Ronnie Cruz. He's a good sleeper name that I see a lot, too, for the Cubs. Cubs just have so much hit potential here. They scout the international market well. We got a Papa coming up. We're going to finish with a Papa. Oh, we got 2 golds here. Nate George, there you go. Roman Anthony, gold, Tampa Bay. Carson Williams, 34 out of 50. Tampa doing okay with this break. Obviously, we want first, but we'll take it, right? Brrr. Ooh, it's a lady. John Gill. Serrano. Bobby Witt Jr., that's a good one. We'll take that. KC, little gold Bobby Witt, 13 out of 50. For vet parallels, we'll take Bobby Witt. That works. I know you like him. All right, we'll look at the auto first, and we'll look at the Papa Smurf. Oh, Pad Paradasha. There's a D in there. Corette? Yes, sir. Yeah, we'll do one tomorrow for sure. Davalilo. Witt is nice. And, Geschwender. Doubling down on some Yorger Bautista autos today, sir. A little purple nurple. Now we got you this. Geschwender. Jumping right back into the live feed, and he sees that. Look at that. Now, who's going to take Chet's money? D. Frank? Yeah, I'm going to do the same exact thing, actually. Steven Marinez, not a first, it's a rookie though. Oh, I think I know. Ooh, that's a goodie. That's a goodie. Luke Keeschel. The Twinkies. Chris Bates, congrats, man. That's a hundo in your pocket. Plus the card, obviously. That's a good one to hit, guys. We like him. He is good. Great season for Mr. Keeschel. Nice rookie Pad Paradasha. George Stephanopoulos. Guys, we're going to run the same thing tomorrow for sure. If I can squeeze one out tonight, I will, but I don't know if I can with the old camping trip. We gotta get that figured out before I can post up another one for sure. But let's see. I'll keep you all posted. If I'm gonna do another one, I will throw an everyone tag so everyone can see it. Nice parallels for sure. Autos weren't bad. Even the hobby and the delights actually did okay. Except for Gabby, who hates me forever. Gabby, you can start hating me like Mahoney, and then eventually I'll hit you something. Too much yellow, though. That's the only thing that happens with these Sapphire boxes. You get a lot of yellow and green parallels for the color. Yeah, you were due a little bit, huh? Some of our hits, some of the parallels. There's a nice... Man, that Oakland spot is paid for big time. You got this as well, the red, which will eventually be 100 once the Rookie of the Year is announced. You could sell those for like... People are paying like $70 to $80 cash for those. Another Keeschel, man. You can go for a rainbow now. Go for that little Keeschel rainbow. I wouldn't hate. All the Sapphire cards will be soft-sleeved as well. The Braves did do pretty good. They did. You didn't buy them this time, did you? That was Clay. But you did okay with the Dodgers. You got a lot of nice hits there. Yes, he has been. He's a good chase, though. Jaswar, Refractor, Co, Rhinell, Laraje, Jacob Wilson, Gil, 75, Jordan, 75, Manny Cedeno with the gold 50, Bobby Witt gold 50, Ronnie Cruz, 75, Carson Williams gold 50, Roki with the image variation, SP if you will, Etzel, Laraje, Padilla, Shrek, Elorki, 150, good hit, Texas. We like him. Brett Bateman, 150, True Blue. Blake Walters, base. Payne, base. Fitzgerald, base. Texas actually ended up doing pretty well, too, Alex. You just always know what you're chasing, don't you? Thanks, Matt. Medina, 150 on the Blue Reptilian. DeFrank, base. Solano, 100. Fucking centering stinks, though. Medina, base. Nestor Miranda, 150, Blue Reptilian. Bautista, 250. Kim, 99. Ballesteros, 99. Bautista, 199. Sapphire. Mori with the Sapphire selections. Mori, 199. And Pad Paradasha, Luke Keeschel, rookie. Chris Bates, the last team that was taken, I believe, Minnesota. No, second to last. All right, guys, thank you. We'll be back with more for sure tomorrow. Maybe more later today. I'll let you know. Till then, take care now. Bye-bye then.